Hello everybody, AB Trains here, and welcome to the Bibs YouTube channel.
Not today.
Oh, so somebody hasn't been watching my video then? Well, I cannot tell you. Right, this is Boston Station. Surely you should know why. I don't need to have to keep on repeating myself. Welcome to Boston. This train is for Nottingham. Please, do not put your feet on seats. Are you really that stupid? I'm having a 2-stage hiatus because I want to have this year seriously. Do I have to go everything again? Just watch the video. It has everything that you need to know. Can you please just give me that battery pack, please?
No.
Well, I need it. That's 2 people who didn't even listen. SCR promoter, go and watch that video. It's called "This channel is going on hiatus, but it's happening in stages." It will tell you everything you need to know. We're now leaving Boston. The next station will be Heckington.
Probably. So what are you going to call it?
There used to be like a fast line down here, but that got moved because there weren't any fast traffic going through. And there's Boston Station level crossing. I filmed there like a few years ago. Right, I'm gonna get the link for the video. Hang on, just give me a minute, guys. There's the video. Just down there, don't know if you'll see it, but that's the line to Boston Docks. It's now single track because we're going to go through Wibberton. So basically, between here and Hubbart's Bridge, it's single track. And then between Hubbart's Bridge and Heckington, it's double track. And then between Heckington and Sleaford, it's single track. I think the first part of the stream may go as far as Heckington because of the amount of battery. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But it really depends. Because iPhones these days, they are rubbish when it comes to streams. Whenever you stream on a phone, your battery just deteriorates so damn fast. So if my battery just goes so low, then I may have to switch devices. It's because of a hiatus. How many times have I got to keep saying this? I'm not doing much Roblox night streams because of a hiatus. How many times have I got to keep saying this? There's a link to a video which will give you the information. Go and watch that. And then come back to us when you've actually watched the whole thing. Oh, we've just passed Whipperton level crossing. There's the Ford garage I used to go to a lot. And then we're now going across the A1121, which is the road that goes between Boston and Swine's Head. I'm going to try and get the passing of Swine's Head in this stream, but if not, then I'd like to apologise for that. I might try and get it on a different device. Looks like we'll be put on a timeout because I've had enough of having to say the same thing over and over again. Go and watch that video for the 4th, if not 5th time. For goodness sake. The signal might go off on us again because I think this is another area where there's loads. I can do. I can't control the signal. Just running across, well, we're just running alongside the A1121. If we do experience low signal cut-offs, then I'd like to apologise for that. The stations will be passing between Boston and Heckington will be Hubbards Bridge and Swine's Head. Yes, there's a hiatus, which is happening in 2 stages. Stage 1 being less Roblox night, but more of other videos. And stage 2 being everything stopped. Either that or the channel having frequent content. Right, we're about to pass Hubbards Bridge. Here we go.